This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from egg whites. First, ensure your bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and dry. Any grease can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Next, carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. Even a tiny bit of yolk can ruin the process. For best results, let your egg whites come to room temperature before you begin. This helps them whip up faster and achieve maximum volume. Once your egg whites are ready, start whipping them on medium speed. You'll see them become foamy and opaque. This is the perfect time to gradually add your sugar, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, which helps stabilize the foam and adds a touch of sweetness. Increase your mixer speed to high and continue whipping until the egg whites form stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. Now for the fun part, flavoring. Gently fold in about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or experiment with other extracts like almond or lemon for different tastes. This whipped cream is best served immediately as a light, airy topping for fresh fruit, pies, or other desserts. If you prefer a slightly firmer texture, you can chill it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes before serving. Here are a few extra tips for perfect results. Be careful not to overwhip your egg whites, as this can make them dry and crumbly instead of smooth and glossy. Adding a small pinch of cream of tartar at the beginning can also help stabilize the egg whites, giving you a more robust and lasting foam. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.